Hey, what's going on, guys? Rob from clicksgeek.com. In today's video, we're going to go through how to use Google's Keyword Planner. It's a free tool. It's how to do your keyword research and how to find the different types of high intent keywords to go after versus lower intent keywords you want to stay away from, and how to find more ad group type themes, right, to go after. So to build out more ad groups. So in order for this video to follow along, you're going to need a Google Ads account, obviously, so you can log into the Keyword Planner, and you're going to need just a Google spreadsheet, a Google Sheets doc, just so you can start building out your ad groups and stuff like that. So let me pause this for 1 second. I'll actually grab the Google Sheet so you can follow along with me. All right, there we go. Cool. So if we go back into the Keyword Planner, now first off, before I get into anything, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. There's a little button below this video. You can subscribe to our channel. Like this video, share it if you like it, and also don't forget to check out the links in the description. We have tons of free trainings, courses, all kinds of cool stuff. And if you are a business owner and you want us to run Google Ads for your business, then you can also apply to work with us. In the description, you can find a link for that as well. All right, so let's get right into this. Go into your Google Ads account. We're going to come up to the little wrench icon, which I think you cannot see right now, but it's the little wrench icon, Tools and Settings. You're going to come over here to Keyword Planner, and you're going to open it up, and you're going to get the page I'm looking at right now. So let's assume that you have no Google Ads campaign right now, and you need to find ad groups, and you need to find keywords. All right, so how we're going to do that is via the Keyword Planner, which is a free tool that Google offers, and we're going to find our keywords to go after, and more. We're going to build out our ad groups also. So in this example, as I said, I'm just going to use a Google spreadsheet and the Keyword Planner. There is ways you can build out these ad groups and put them into your campaign, your Google Ads account via Keyword Planner, but I'm not getting into that today. So that's just more advanced stuff. So we're going to keep it simple today for anyone who just wants to add keywords and find keywords. All right, so for today's example, we will use, let's go with the plumbing niche, right? All right, so we're going to click Discover New Keywords. And we're going to put our main keywords for the Google Ads campaign we're going to go after, which is a plumber, plumbing services. And we'll just do that, right? So what we're going to start off the Keyword Planner with is our main high-level theme keywords that are going to basically define the entire Google Ads campaign we're going after. So in this example, we're going after a plumber, so we're going to put the high-level stuff just like the word plumber and plumbing services. You can even do drain cleaning, whatever. Do a list of all the services you want to offer for whatever you're, in this example, plumbing. So we get results. And Google's giving us some suggestions to broaden our keywords. So we're going to add some plumbing keywords we'll add. We'll do plumbing contractor, we'll add that. So you can add more themes if you want. And here's the search results, right? So we actually have it chosen as Philadelphia already because that's where I'm located, right outside of Philadelphia. You can obviously put whatever location you're going to run your Google Ads campaign in. I would list out all the locations you want to run in and hit save, so that way you can see the actual keyword volume for the searches you're going after. Again, I'm outside of Philadelphia, so that's why you're seeing this. That said, we're going to take our Keyword Planner here, and we're going to start finding ad groups first, right? So an ad group is just, goes back to basics, but it's just a keyword theme, right? So each ad group will have its own set of keywords inside of it. Plumbing services is the first ad group I would take. And we'll go into our Google Sheet here, and we'll just put it right here. Move that over a little bit. There we go. We will drop that right here. So plumbing services. The next one I think was just drain cleaning. So drain cleaning will be another ad group. So under each of these ad groups, drain cleaning ad group will have all keywords about drain cleaning. Plumbing services, all plumbing service type keywords, right? That's how ad groups work. Plumbing companies / company, that would be its own ad group. Plumbing contractor would be its own ad group. I wouldn't lump that with companies. Right, so we're going to kind of start going down now. We're going to find emergency plumber, right? So that's an ad group. First thing we're going to do is find our ad groups. Water heater repair, right? So that could be a good one. Water heater repair. And then I think the next one I saw was water heater replacement. All right, and you're just going to kind of comb down through the keywords and find the high-level stuff to add as ad groups. And once you do that, then we'll start adding keywords. So let's just say we went through and we added all of our ad groups. Now you might be wondering, how many ad groups should I have in my campaign? The answer is as many as you possibly can have. And how many keywords should you have? As many as you can possibly have, because each keyword that you're going after is a little fishing net that you're throwing out into Google to pull in leads and phone calls. So the more you have, the better. So the more granular you get and build out these ad groups, the better off chance you have of having a very successful Google Ads campaign. All right, so let's say we're done. We got all of our ad groups. And we got everything ready to go. So now we're ready to start finding keywords for each ad group. So we'll start with the first one, plumbing services. Right, so we only want to add keywords with the word plumbing services in them. So here was a good one here, plumbing services near me. We'll add that as the first keyword. And we obviously want to have the main keyword in there as well. So plumbing services near me, plumbing services. Kind of comb through and start looking. A faster way to do this would be to add a keyword modifier, add a filter. Keyword, say contains services. So if I can spell it right. So Google's only going to show us keywords with the word services in them. Perfect. All right, plumbing repair services. So I would actually put plumbing repair services under a plumbing repair ad group. Local plumbing services, that's a good one. We'll take that, we'll add that as a keyword. We'll go back into the planner. Professional plumbing services, solid, taking that, add that. So right now we're just adding high intent keywords for our first ad group, plumbing services. So what does high intent mean? It means we know why someone's searching this. Plumbing services near me is pretty self-explanatory. They need a plumber. They need plumbing services. Local plumbing services. They need a plumber locally. Professional plumbing services. They need a professional to fix their plumbing issue, right? So those are high intent keywords. Now, a low intent keyword would be something like all plumbing services, pro plumbing services, superior plumbing services. These are most likely other brands of plumbing companies. So my point is, low intent just means we don't know the intent of why they search this. We're not sure, so we're not going to waste money on it. And that's what you got to kind of use some discernment and figure that out, right? And my rule of thumb is, if I'm unsure what the intent is, I'm not going to add it to my Google Ads campaign, because I only want to spend my money on high intent stuff that I know is going to drive really good leads. All right, so here's a good one: affordable plumbing services near me. So you guys get the idea. I'm not going to go through and do all these, but so you're going to go through and you're going to weed through all these keywords, right? You're going to go through, I think there's 67 with the word services in them. So you're going to find all the keywords for your first ad group, and then you're done, right? So let's just say we're done. We have all of our keywords for our first ad group. It's looking good. Now you might be wondering, well, how many keywords should I add to my ad groups? And the answer is as many as you possibly can find. And I know you can really get down a rabbit hole and have 150, 500 keywords in an ad group, as long as they're tightly themed like this. And what I mean by that is they are all about plumbing services in the plumbing services ad group. That's fine. Okay? The most important thing is that they're high intent and they're tightly themed to your ad group. The next one will be drain cleaning. Same drill, guys. We're going to go through. We're going to change the thing here. We're going to put drain. So drain cleaning near me. right? And you're going to go through and just find all of your drain cleaning stuff. So drain, these are a perfect example. This is a great ad group for a perfect example of intent explained. Block drain. No, we're not going to go after that because we don't know the intent. This could be someone looking for Drano. Unclog shower drain. This is someone looking for a YouTube video on how to unclog a shower drain, right? Drain clog remover. This is someone looking for some kind of remover or tool maybe, or Drano, something. Drain cleaning services. This is a great one. That's what we want. We want to stay away from low intent stuff. That's really, really important. Best drain opener. Stay away from it. Sewer drain cleaning. This is something I would put into a sewer drain ad group. And down and down and down. So as long as you guys understand the difference when I'm talking about intent, you'll be able to run successful Google Ads campaigns. So that's all I'm really going to go through today. I'm not going to take up an hour of your guys' time. You guys get the point after doing the first couple ad groups. So you're going to do that. You're going to work your way down every ad group you have, and you're going to fill out as many keywords as you can possibly find. You're going to take your time on each ad group and fill out as much as possible. And then you're just simply going to drop the key. You're going to copy the keywords and drop them into your Google Ads campaigns, or build out your ad groups and all that stuff. And that's for another video. If you don't know how to do that, then go back to the basics. Go to my channel and start watching how we build campaigns from scratch. There's dozens of videos on how we do that. But this is how you're going to find your keywords, and this is how you're going to find the types of keywords to go after. That's how you're going to find your ad groups as well. The Keyword Planner is a really awesome tool. So hopefully this video was helpful to you guys. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and check out the links in the description. And if you're a business owner, you can apply to work with us. Also, you can do that in the description as well. All right, guys, I will catch you later.